Hello there, I'm recording this video to show Year 5 how to make this rather cool book which we're going to be using to help to publish our work in for our written work on Friday. So it's a special book which can open up and it's rather special. So this video is going to attempt to show you how to make it. Not attempt, it's going to be successful in showing you how to make this book for yourself at home. So to make this book you will need 3 pieces of A4 paper, just normal A4 paper, some cardboard and a glue stick and a pair of scissors. So the first thing to do is to get your piece of A4 paper and fold it diagonally across to make a square. So take your paper, fold it across so the edge lines up perfectly with this edge. There should be no overlap. And then we cut across this line here. It leaves us with a triangle and a rectangle. We can discard the rectangles, we don't need those anymore. We can take our triangle. So we can open up our triangle. If we open up our triangle, we have a crease. So this is how it's folded. So when we open it up, the crease is almost, we call it a hot dog fold. Looks a bit like a hot dog. So if we turn it around, it's now a mountain fold. So now the crease is at the top, and then fold the piece of paper in half to make a long rectangle. Open it back up again into a square. Rotate it. Fold again to make another rectangle. Open it up. Now we have one diagonal crease and then 2 creases which make it, we've got 4 quarters, and 2 of the quarters have been split in half. So there are 8. So then to fold this, we take one of our quarters. So if you take one of the folded 8ths and pinch that towards one side, and do the same with the other, and then fold the other quarter down. So now we've got a square, and the idea is to make 3 of those squares. Then use your glue stick. It's time to arrange our square. So we've got a square that opens up here. If you arrange them like this, so we've got one that opens up to the front, to the back, and to the front again. And then all of these 3 will sit within each other. So if we slot them together, so we've got all 3 books now connected together. The problem is that they'll come apart, so we need to glue them. So if we again remove one of the squares and add some glue, just to one of the quarters, and attach that inside the square. Make sure it goes all the way in, and do the same with the last square. Slot that glued piece in with the other square. So now we have 3 squares which are all connected, which will open up to make a concertina effect. you can see at the moment they struggle to go back together, so if we add a cardboard cover, so the cardboard should be slightly bigger than the outside of your paper. So you cut around the cardboard, make it slightly bigger. And do that for the front and for the back. And glue the cardboard to the back of your book. And the front of your book. So now you've made a front cover and a back cover, which you can then pull open and closed. So the idea is that then we'll have a front cover and then you'll write about your planet on these pages inside to make a very special book. So there we go.